Wagwan FPV family. Yeah, so I've been on this journey for 1 year. I've been trying to save up some of my stuff as I fly and break stuff. So let's go through this little box. We're gonna hit these props first. So 1 year of props. That's what 1 year of props look like. Not pushing too hard, but pushing hard enough. Booyah! But that's not the good stuff. That's not the good stuff. Here comes the good stuff. If you wanted to get into FPV, be prepared. Oh, look at that, I got a little motor there. Be prepared for this. Yeah, it's more. There we go. That is a Cinewoop motor, dead. Emax motor, dead. Burnt out the board, done. I don't know, flight control, ESC, dead. What's that? Broken arm, broken lands, broken motor, bottom plate, beta 85, 75, Sedora arm, the old Sedora, old SL5, top plate, stud, VTX, flight controller, VTX, another, oh, that's a freestyle, dead. This was a ESC, Emax. Flight controller, more stuff, more trash. Look at that, yep. GoPro crack, freestyle frame, yeah. And then we got all the wires and all this stuff. So be prepared. You want to do FPV? This is what 1 year looks like. It's not too bad actually. I wasn't pushing. I got a couple other things inside, but yeah, this is the bare part of FPV.